Hello and welcome back to my next video. Now, on my walk through my woodland, you may come across a solitary tree with an open background. You may come across a stone statue, a monument, or something which a man-made item that has been put in. Of course, whatever you come across, whether it's an old piece of industrial equipment, a tractor, an old building, all of these are things that you shouldn't forget. Why not take a picture of? Now, I may be walking, so the camera does shake around. Sorry about that, but I handhold the camera. Now, when you find things, there is things in the image you may not want to get in. So it's either you move to miss them, or you just accept that they're there. As I said, I'm actually at my caravan, which is in Scotland, and doing some work, but it doesn't detract that the view up here is of sky, which is here, mist, and if you can hear the wind, yes, it has picked up, but hopefully go up on this big rock here, get some height. Now, no matter what you find, whether you find a lone tree, mountains, you set whatever you take to however you're feeling at the time. Tree close in the image, the land behind, and at the distance, the mountains. And don't forget that the clouds change, and you could have at night a red sky. But just look around. Big jump. What you find and what you take pictures of are your decision. Not what everybody might tell you is this is what you should take. You take whatever makes you happy. You take whatever you find. But you must do it safely. You must be careful of where you're going, because you could have a fall, you could trip. It is being observant. It is watching if you're on an island, if the tide's coming in. If you're in the woods, what time is it? Do you have a torch? Because it can get dark and the weather can change very quickly. So you must think about what time have I come out? How long am I going to be out for? What may I find to take pictures of? I don't know if you can make them out. But once you zoom in, it's very hard. Get off me. getting flies attacking us. Well, you have a pond with lots of flies running over it. Now, you might see the little black marks there. You can never tell what wildlife you may come across. I always find that once you start taking a picture, and you're likely to take more pictures in a place, I find I just carry the camera around like I'm carrying this one around and taking the walk. The camera stays on, it stays in my hand, that all I have to do is lift it to my eye, focus, and there's the image. So the camera probably didn't pick that up, but a big bird just flew into that tree. Now, being prepared for what you may find and being ready with the camera in hand for things which are outside of what you can control. You see, you can control this image. You can wait for the sky to have a certain set of clouds. You can wait for the trees to stop moving when the wind dies down. As you see, they're moving. You may not want them to move, you may not want them to be blurred. They're getting slower. And the wind might die down long enough that that's the time you take the image. But things which are more surprising, it's very hard to keep a track of a bird in the sky because they are so fast. But getting back to, if a rabbit ran out, or a squirrel, or anything right in front of you, would you be ready to take that image? I just seen that bird again. See, I can see it, but probably you can't make it out on the camera, even if I point the camera right at it. But it is a big bird. So it's being prepared, it's being ready. Expect the unexpected. Expect that something may come out at any time. Expect that the view that you have can change in a moment. But be careful yourself. You can't walk around with the camera against your eye expecting something to come out. But you can have your camera set so it will take whatever comes out in front of you without any trouble. Now, no matter what walk you go on, you may not come across a view like what I've just shown you. It depends on where you go. So, if you don't know where you're going, you may as well take the camera with you, even if you're just reconning and you're going to come back and take more pictures, because you may get an image today and not get an image when you come back. So, we've looked at views, we've looked at structures and everything like that. What else can we come across in a woodland walk? Let's see what we come across for the next video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.